dreamers, all the dreamers of desert moon. Oh, desert moon, desert moon, desert moon. Coach Irene, the adventure. Hi, dog. From Coach. Hi, Coach. Tara yung nabakara mo. Saan siya? Saan siya na? Natagalan yung paglaba. O, yan. May labakara ka na. Pamunas. May pamunas ka na. Coach Irene. Hi, Coach. How are you? Coach. Nagpa-practice lang ako. Nagpa-practice lang ako ng ano. Kanta na nagustuhan ko. I just, you know, learning some other songs, you know. Who sing these songs? Who sing this song? Wait. Tingnan natin kung sinong kumanta nito. Desert Moon by Dennis Dion? Or just a writer? Gawa ko ng short nito habang naka-live. Mag-short ako dito. Coach Irene, kumusta? Asan ka ba? Asan ka ngayon, Coach Irene? Nagla-live din si Coach Irene eh. Coach Irene. Ang ganda ni Coach Irene. Sobrang ganda. Madam na madam. Yayamanin talaga to si Coach Irene. Yayamanin. 4,000 subscriber. Tagal na tayo, di ba? Coach Irene, matagal na tayo. Ano naman yan, Dave? Ano naman pinagsasabi mo? Ba't na hide yung comment mo? Thank you for sharing, Dave. Brett Glazo, thank you so much, my brother. And also, Dog the Guitarist, thank you so much. Dog the Guitarist. I only play, you know, Dog. I only play the basic one. Thank you, Dog, for sharing also. My goodness, you guys touch my heart. Happy Sunday, everyone. Thank you guys for sharing. This is only a practice. Thank you, brother Brett Glazo from Washington State. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. Thank you very, very much. I have my laundries going on right now, so while I'm waiting for my laundry, just playing a little bit. Practice, little bit more practice on guitar, you know, because I find some other songs that I like, you know. Hi, Coach Irene from brother Brett Glazo of Washington State. Thank you so much, guys, for sharing. Thank you so much for the share. You guys are amazing. Amazing. Hang on a second. I will do the short video here. Short video here. Just you know, while I'm practicing. While I'm practicing, I'm gonna do a short video here. Here we go. I'm gonna settle this phone right here, recording on my phone. I'm just recording on my phone, you know. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right, let's do it again. This is only practice or practice song. I'm not, professional singer. I'm not professional guitarist. This is just, a basic playing guitar, right? Do not expect anything. Do not expect anything on me. I'm not, Here we go. This day's the train to Desert Moon was all she said. But I knew I'd heard that stranger's voice before. I tried to look into her eyes, but she moves away. She was standing in the rain, trying hard to speak my name. They say my first love never runs dry. Summer night. I think I make a mistake. Hang on a second. Let me listen. Let me listen my record right here. Let me listen. Let me listen. Thank you, dog. Thank you, dog. I'm not a professional guitarist. I'm not either. I'm not a professional guitarist. I'm just, playing a basic one. Basic, strumming. Night is cooking. Show. Hello, how are ya? How's everything? Let me turn on the lights because my camera is so dark. Hang on a second. Let me turn on the lights. Here we go. Light is on. How about that? How about that? The light is on. It's raining over here. That's why it's kind of dark. There's no sun. I'm close to the window, but there is no sun outside because it's raining. Raining day. Rainy day. Raining day. Naida's Cooking, how are you doing? Hi to all from Naida's Cooking. Naida's Cooking is also cooking, do the cooking, live streaming cooking, some kinds of blogging. She got also garden, also some kind of vegetable in her backyard. I am very okay, my love. I'm glad you're okay. If you choose to be okay, you're gonna be okay all the time. Yes. Sometimes you get sick. Sometimes it's like a motorcycle. Sometimes the motorcycle don't move because they don't have gasolina. But if you put gasolina, it move again. It's running again. So that's our body also. We need to do something to keep moving. So we'll be okay and continue our daily life. That's the reason why still, sige, baby. I saw him. You saw him who? You saw him who? Hello, Naida's Cooking. Parang mahina din yung lights ng aking camera. Hold on. I have to do this again because I make a mistake here. I make a mistake of doing my nagre-release ka, Naida. Itong ginagawa ko, nagre-release ako. Nagre-record habang naka-live para doble na ba yung pag-record natin. Habang naka-live ka, mag-record ka para hindi na doble-doble yung trabaho mo as a vlogger, As a vlogger, just do the blog at the same time, at the same time, so you don't have to do it again and again and again. While I'm practicing, I'm gonna make a short video here as that song. The title is Desert Moon. I used to try not to get sick and be sick for weeks. Not to, but you don't have a choice. It's, sometimes, you just eat some vegetables, drink some ginger tea, something like that. It make you feel more better, more, more stronger. Drink some healthy, like stuff like milk or juice or fruits. Eat some fruits, vegetables, You feel better right away. Right away. Right away. All right, I'm gonna do the record again. Once again, I'm gonna do it again because I make a mistake. I make a mistake. Wine can be okay, but not too much. Not too much. Just a little bit. Wine. I have wine, but it's already gone. For 4 weeks. I keep that wine for 4 weeks and then now it's gone. Now it's gone. Saan ko ba ito? All right, let's do it again. Wine already gone. No more wine. All right, let's do it again. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Here we go. It stays the rain to desert moon was all she said, but I knew I'd heard a stranger's voice before. Turned to look into her eyes, but she moves away. She was standing up. Again. Hang on a second. One more time. I'm making a short video over here on my phone to blog, to blog. All right, one more time. It stays the train to desert moon was all she said, but I knew I'd heard the stranger's voice before. I tried to look into your eyes, but she moves away. She was standing in the rain, trying hard to speak my name, Rosalina, never runs dry. Tiny cups, Rosalinda. Wait, this is just a short video. You don't have to. Look at that. The train to desert moon was all she said, but I knew I'd heard the stranger's voice before. I tried to look into your eyes, but she moves away. need to edit. Hang on a second. Rosalinda. I'm just gonna. Stays the train to Desert Moon was all she said. But I knew I'd heard the stranger's voice before. I tried to look into your eyes, but you moves away.